Most people over 30 are overcomplicating investing. Too many accounts, too many strategies, too much noise. But the people quietly building real wealth, they're only doing 3 things. And today, I'm showing you exactly what those are. Here's what nobody tells you when you're in your 30s. You don't need to be a finance expert to build wealth. You don't need to pick stocks. You don't need to watch the market every day. What you need is a simple system, 3 investments that work together, build over time, and don't require you to think about them constantly. Let me break it down.
Investment number 1.
Index funds. This is the foundation of almost every serious long-term investor. And the reason is simple. Instead of betting on one company, you're betting on the entire market. Every major company, every sector, all at once.
Here's what that means in real numbers.
The S&P 500, which tracks the 500 largest U.S. companies, has returned an average of roughly 10% per year over the last 50 years. That includes crashes, recessions, pandemics, wars. Through all of it, the long-term trend is up. So if you invest $300 a month into an S&P 500 index fund starting at age 32, by age 60, you're looking at roughly $600,000. No stock picking, no guessing, just consistent investing in the entire market. What to actually do right now? Search for a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. VOO, FXAX, or SWTSX are popular options. Open a brokerage account, Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard, and start contributing whatever you can consistently. That's it. That's step 1. Investment number 2, retirement accounts. And this is where most people over 30 are quietly leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single year.
Here's the thing about a Roth IRA.
You invest money you've already paid taxes on. It grows completely tax-free. And when you retire, you pay 0 taxes on the withdrawal. 0. So if your investments grow from $50,000 to $400,000 inside a Roth IRA, that $350,000 in gains? Yours. All of it. Compare that to a regular brokerage account where you'd owe capital gains tax on every dollar of profit. The Roth IRA is one of the most powerful wealth-building tools available to everyday people, and most people aren't using it. Here's what to do. If you're under the income limit, open a Roth IRA today. In 2024, you can contribute up to $7,000 per year. That's $583 a month. Can't do that yet? Start with $100. Start with $50. Just open the account and start. And if your employer offers a 401k with a match, contribute at least enough to get the full match. That's a 50 to 100% instant return on your money. There is no better deal in investing.
Investment number 3.
And this one surprises people. Your income. Your income is your most powerful investing tool because everything else depends on it.
Think about it this way.
If you earn $50,000 a year and invest 15%, that's $625 a month going to work for you. If you increase your income to $70,000 and keep that same 15% habit, now you're investing $875 a month. That extra $250 a month? Over 20 years at 10% average returns, that's an additional $190,000 in your portfolio. Just from one income increase. This is why investing in your skills, your career, your side income is not separate from your investing strategy. It is your investing strategy.
So ask yourself right now,
what is one skill that would make you more valuable? What certification, course, or experience would justify a raise or a higher paying role? Spend 2 hours a week on that. Because a $10,000 income increase, invested consistently over 20 years, is worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now let's put the whole system together. Because this is where it gets powerful. Index funds give you market growth. Retirement accounts protect your gains from taxes. Income growth fuels everything. These three work together, not separately. And the more you grow your income, the more you pour into your index funds and retirement accounts, the faster the whole system accelerates.
Here's your 5-step action plan.
Write this down. Step 1. Open a brokerage account this week and buy your first index fund, even $50. Step 2. Open a Roth IRA if you haven't already. Set up a monthly auto contribution. Step 3. If your job offers a 401k match, increase your contribution to capture the full match. Step 4. Identify one income growth move. A skill, a raise conversation, a side income, and put 2 hours a week toward it. Step 5. Automate everything. Set it up once. Let it run every month. Check it quarterly, not daily.
Here's the bottom line.
You don't need to be rich to start. You don't need to be an expert. You need these 3 investments, a consistent habit, and enough patience to let time do the work. 10 years from now, the version of you that started today is going to be in a completely different financial position than the version of you that kept waiting. Start now. Stay consistent. Build the life you actually want.
If this gave you clarity, subscribe.
Every week, we break down exactly how to build wealth after 30. No fluff, no hype, just real strategy. See you in the next one.